Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming access. You need at least viewer to see the item. Once ready, open Drive. Google, com and choose Shared with Me. Now scan for the exact file or folder. Use the search bar, owner filter, or sort by date to narrow results quickly. Make sure to select a single item first. This avoids accidental batch actions. Then right-click the file or click the three-dot menu to reveal the available actions for removal. Next, remove the file from your view. Right-click and pick Remove, which only hides it for you. This does not delete the owner's copy. If you have several files, hold Ctrl or Shift to select multiple entries, then remove them in one action. This speeds cleanup. For shortcuts, choose Remove Shortcut so the original stays intact but your list is uncluttered. Make sure to check the confirmation prompt when present, because it clarifies the effect of the action. Finally, verify the item disappears from Shared with Me. If you made a copy earlier, look in My Drive or Trash to manage it. If Remove is grayed out, request access or ask the owner to change sharing settings. Sometimes owners restrict actions. If the interface behaves oddly, sign out and back in, clear browser cache, or try an incognito window. These steps often resolve sync or UI errors. If problems continue, contact Google.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.